of Rangpura. And because of that, NACN could not enter Changlang and further Lohit and all other districts. What it was trying to spread, it got contained. That is what point was being driven by Doalji, that it is the people who protect. And just to build those temples, for such small things, to train those karyakartas of those temples, even that is another help. Another thing, Vivekananda Kendra Institute of Culture is trying to do the work in the Northeast at intellectual level, because it is the theories, intellectual theories, which tell that these are all different people, they are hostile to each other, and the hostility is promoted by vested interest, and that is how it becomes a hotbed of clashes. So, Vivekananda Kendra Institute of Culture, which was envisioned by Eknathji, that it should be such that it does research from integral point of view. If for thousands of years we have stayed together, then naturally there are certain such systems which actually connect us. And that is what in many of our seminars in various ways, that is community also, what are the eternal values and what systems need to be changed to be relevant in time to develop with culture. So with all these ideas, when the seminars were going on, our Dr. Joram Begiji is here. It was in Nishi seminar first time. The paper that he read on Manyang, that is a system of friendship between Nishi and Apatani community. And it was eye-opener for many of us. And even the younger generation in Arunachal Pradesh, they did not know that. And it was that what was triggered by Dr. Begiji. Slowly it evolved so much that recently, I think it was 2 months before, that there was Nishi Apatani Summit, in which the elites of both the communities came together and they told we have to devise a system to contain the clashes. You see, that is how a work, when intellectually we also try to understand, when those theories we try to divide us, those theories, how empty, hollow they are, if that is shown, and there are deeper connections for all of us. When those connections are focused, those unifying principles are focused, then the society can stay more harmoniously, cohesively together. Now, for example, this work of Vivekananda Kendra Institute of Culture doesn't appear as service, so to say, to the people. But actually, it is also doing a very deeper service. Because we know when the riots are there, people from both the communities become refugees. Whatever, in Assam and all, in many places, we are facing, we do face those problems. So, such type of work also needs a very good corpus, so that such intellectual research and then dissemination of those ideas in the communities is possible. Then there is also the work in medical field. In those days when our school started, if a small little girl or a boy is sick, our teachers used to carry them on shoulder for kilometers together to reach to the doctor. Those were the days. From there we have of course moved much better days. But now, because of so-called many other things, the hardiness of the people, if it is affected, they need operations. We do get doctors who are ready to come and do operations. Even from America, some group of doctors sometimes comes and does. The mobile medical vans also are donated, but it is the doctors, regular doctors, which are required, who find out such cases or who give regular service. And again, that also needs some regular corpus, because to work in such interior areas, which doctor will come when he can get a very lucrative practice in big cities? And even if they are motivated, being a doctor, they do need to take care of, to be taken care of. And that is another appeal that Vivekananda Kendra would like to make. I would just share one incident of my childhood. When I was young, in my house, two girls from a very poor family who had kept some cows used to come to give cow dung, because we used to use that cow dung for 2-3 purposes, to sprinkle on the courtyard and all that. So one day, those two, and we used to give them some snacks or some food to eat when they would give the cow dung. That day when they came, they were talking something. Then when I asked, what is it you are talking? Then she said, no, nothing, nothing. I told, tell me. Then she said, yesterday I had a dream, and in that dream I saw I got 1 rupee, and therefore I could purchase 1 pencil and rubber, and then I was drawing beautiful pictures. You know, somewhere that struck me so much. Here I have 4 or 5 pencils at home, and here one girl is only, struggling or dreaming that she may get a pencil or a rubber. What is just too little for us can make some artists, can make some good students, good citizens. And that was a very great thing that struck me, and that is what I appeal to you. It's not only now, but on a regular basis, we want you to be part of the family of Vivekananda Kendra. We want you to be the part of this great Rashtra Yajna, which its flame will keep burning only if all of us give our own ahuti, some ahuti of time, of life, of money in that. And this is what I appeal to all of you. Namaskar.
Thank you, Nivedita ji, for your very impressive Nivedan.